Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened your Outlook inbox and thought, there's just too much going on here, or maybe you want to see your emails in a cleaner, more organized way, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to change and customize your Outlook inbox view step by step so you can make it perfectly fit your workflow. Let's jump right in. First things first, open Outlook and sign in using your Microsoft 365 credentials. This will take you straight into your mailbox. Once you're in, head to the Mail section on the left panel. At the top of your screen, you'll see the View tab. Click that. This is where all your display and layout settings live. Now, click on View Settings. This is your control center for inbox customization. Here, you can manage exactly how your emails appear, from column layouts to sorting options, and even the level of detail shown in your message list. Next, go to Layout Settings. This is where things get interesting. You can choose what's most important for you to see, like displaying the sender's name first or highlighting unread messages. It's a small change that can make a huge difference when scanning through dozens of emails. And if you're someone who prefers a simple, distraction-free look, Outlook lets you go beyond the preset views. You can reduce the details for a minimalist feel or add more columns for a richer, information-packed inbox. It's all about finding what helps you stay productive. Once you're happy with your setup, don't forget to hit OK or Apply to save your changes. That way, your customized view stays the same every time you log in. And that's it. Your Outlook inbox is now fully customized to match your personal workflow. A few simple tweaks can turn your cluttered inbox into a productivity powerhouse. If this guide helped you, give it a like, drop a comment if you want more Outlook tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech guides and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.